Hello, I'm Lance Zimmerman with the CattleFax Closing Bell, brought to you by Zoetis. Beef typically sees stronger sales volume during the week leading up to Memorial Day. Many Americans use the 3-day weekend to fire up grills and enjoy the first taste of summer. Therefore, grocery store beef advertisements are closely monitored during that week. Generally speaking, beef advertisements are a good indicator of future sales. On average, around 40% of all retail beef volume sells through some sort of in-store promotion. Beef retail feature activity was mostly steady leading to the Memorial Day weekend, and U.S. grocery stores averaged 5.6 beef advertisements per store. That advertising rate has been relatively consistent over the last 6 weeks. However, last week's feature activity offered the first improvement in beef advertising compared to a year ago in 2013. The week before Memorial Day saw beef advertising improve 6% compared to 2012, and futures market prices suggest beef advertising could continue its year-over-year growth through the third quarter. In order to plan for retail advertisements, grocery store meat buyers must secure beef purchases at least 6 to 8 weeks before the planned advertising period. Many of those contract prices are negotiated with at least a fundamental view of what the deferred live cattle futures are pricing. Deferred live cattle futures prices have eroded more than $10 per hundredweight in the last 5 months. Also, concerns of significant annual declines in beef production have weakened in recent months. These changes create a more favorable outfront purchasing environment for beef buyers. Expect retail meat buyers to take advantage of these opportunities to secure better margins, increase beef advertising, and pass better prices back to consumers. The potential benefit for cattle producers is higher cattle prices longer term through increasing beef demand across the end user and wholesale beef segments. Fed cattle trade was active and prices were mostly steady this week. Cattle in the South sold for $124 per hundredweight, while trade in the North was collected at $124 to $125 live and $198 to $200 per hundredweight dressed. Feeder cattle prices were steady to $2 higher for the week, and calf prices were steady as well. Slaughter cow values were also mostly steady. Demand is relatively strong for replacement cattle following recent price declines, and many classes of feeder cattle and calves are seeing supplies decline. Box beef values were lower for the week as demand slowed following Memorial Day. Corn prices moved higher as wet weather in the Midwest increased concerns for lost acreage and lower yields. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.
The beef business has never been for the faint of heart. For more than 40 years, CattleFax has led the way. We're the time-proven leader in research, analysis, and information, equipped with the industry's most powerful database. Become a member at CattleFax.com.